Welcome to the Hot Rod Farmer Minute. I am Ray Bohax from the Idle Chatter podcast, heard on the Global Ag Network. The industry identifies a cold start as any time the engine and its coolant are 30 Fahrenheit degrees or more below normal operating temperature. This is then broken down into a full cold start when the coolant is at ambient temperature, an intermediate restart, and then a hot restart. Since a diesel engine uses no spark plugs, combustion occurs from the heating of the air in the cylinder by the compression of the piston. During a full or intermediate cold start, this is insufficient to reach the necessary 350 Fahrenheit degrees for the fuel to auto-ignite. To combat this, a glow plug, intake air heater, or both are employed. Many misunderstand glow plugs. They are not used to heat the combustion chamber, but instead to create a hot spot for the fuel to encounter as the piston pushes the mixture toward it. Simply put, it is an ignition point that can quickly reach more than 1,000 Fahrenheit degrees. It is nothing more than a heating element. If your diesel is hard starting, check the glow plugs and related circuits. Often you will find the engine is firing on only one cylinder since the others have expired. Agriculture runs on machinery, profits on reliability.
Moving higher in the 21st century. Hard-working people working hard for you and me. Moving higher, time and time again. Through the years you'll find us here.